are going to see logarithmic differentiation. So people, in this video, I am not going to explain the concepts as per we do in earlier videos, but rather I am going to solve a question in such a way that you guys can understand each and every step or each and every step that are required for the logarithmic differentiation. So people, actually this logarithmic differentiation is something in which you have to include your logarithm as the name suggests, and then you will do the differentiation, and therefore you will arrive at the value of the differentiation or the derivative. So people, this method is used for finding the derivative of some functions which is of this form. Okay, so what I am going to do is, listen, the question is differentiate y is equal to x power x. What will you do here? So here I am going to use your logarithmic differentiation, and please listen to me carefully because I am going to say each and every step from the scratch, so that I will ensure that every people can understand it. Okay, so first what you are going to do is, as the name suggests, that is your logarithmic differentiation, I am going to take what I am having here is, I am having y is equal to x power x, correct now? Now, as the name suggests, that is your logarithmic differentiation, I am going to take log on the both sides of the equation. I am going to take log on the both sides of the equation, then you will get log of y is equal to log of x power x. So you can take log, or otherwise you can take ln, no problem in that, you can take anything because log and ln are almost same, where in ln log is to the base e. Okay, I hope you guys know that basic concept. So here I am going to take, I will write the steps here. Take ln or log on both sides. That's the first step. Okay, that's the first step. So in this equation, when I take ln, I will get ln of y is equal to ln of x power x. Correct now? Correct now? So this is the first step that you are supposed to do in this particular method of logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so now ln of y is equal to ln of x power x. So here people, in the RHS, let me use your laws of logarithm. So using your laws of logarithm, I can take this power x outside, therefore I will get x into ln of x. Correct na? X into ln of x. So I will say what property of logarithm I use here. It's very simple one, that is log to the base a of m power n can be written as the power is for the inside value. The inside value of m is raised to the power n, hence I can take the n directly outside. That is n into log to the base a of m. This is the property something. I use here. ln of x power x, I can write it as that x, I can take it outside. So here your n is x. Okay, so just use this property, that's all. So this is the type of thing we got now. The second step is, listen very carefully. The second step is differentiate on when I will write it clearly. Differentiate on both sides. I am talking about this equation. Okay, so differentiate on both sides. So try to differentiate on both sides, and that's the second step, and this is the final step. Okay, it's such a simple one, but the thing is, you guys must be careful about it. So now I need to take derivative on both sides of the equation. So what will I do here is, what is derivative of ln of y, that is your LHS? Your derivative of ln of y is 1 by y. Correct now? Derivative of ln of y is 1 by y. Very simple concept. Ln of x differentiation is, I will write it anyway. d by dx of ln of x is nothing but 1 by x. Okay, I am writing each and everything because it's a conceptual video. Because I am ensuring that everyone can understand it. Okay, so now derivative of ln of y is 1 by y, this same differentiation rule, and now not only 1 by y and also dy by dx and also dy by dx. Why do you think I am writing dy by dx? What's the reason? So people, please understand, actually this concept we can read afterwards. But before going on to it, you need to study a chapter called Application of Derivatives. In that, you will be learning many things, tangent, aborted line, normal, and on that part, you will learn why we need to put dy by dx. If I need to explain it, I need to go on to the chapter. But the reason for putting dy by dx, you will understand in the chapter Application of Derivatives. So simple understanding is, just remember, when I take a derivative, I should put dy by dx because I am having a variable x in the RHS. That is why I am doing like this. I hope that makes you people clear. So now, when I differentiate your RHS, how will you differentiate? X into ln of x, product of two terms, that is x and ln of x. So what will you do is, we can use your product rule. X into ln of x I am having. So what your product rule says is, d by dx of f of first function, that is f of x into g of x, can be written as derivative of first function, that is f dash of x, into second function plus derivative of a second function into first function. Okay, this is what a product rule states, right? And I hope you guys are aware of it. So if you need to differentiate RHS, it is x into ln of x, use the same product rule. So first function derivative, so derivative of x is 1, x power 1 minus 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. That's all. So now hence I will get derivative of x will be 1 into d by into second function. Second function is ln of x only. Then plus of second function derivative, ln of x derivative is 1 by x into first function, that is your x. That's all. This is something we got now. So from this equation, therefore I will say that this is nothing but 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 into ln of x is ln of x plus of x plus of 1 by x into x. Correct now? Guys, I think this x and this x will cancel. So directly you will be left out with ln of x. I hope that makes you people clear. So ln of x plus 1. Okay, I hope that makes you people clear. What I am doing is, as this x cancel, you will have ln of x plus 1. Okay, wow? That's all. So now people, after this, the question is very simple. And this is the kind of equation that you will be left on. And please remember all these particular formulas, and then only you can understand the question very well. So now after this, what you are going to do is, think carefully what is being asked in the question. The thing is, differentiate y is equal to x power x. That means they are asking the value of dy by dx. dy by dx means d of x power x by dx. d by dx of x power x. That is something they are asking now. dy by dx is differentiation of x power x. So now, if you need to find the value of dy by dx, why are you looking on other options? Directly here I am having dy by dx, hence I can take every term to the RHS x of dy by dx, therefore I will be getting the value of derivative of x power x. Okay, so that means from this I will say that your dy by dx will be equal to, take this 1 by I to RHS, therefore we'll get y into ln of x plus 1. Correct na? Correct na? dy by dx will be y. Take that y to RHS because my main motive is to in order to find the value of dy by dx, and therefore in this equation itself I am having dy by dx. So why need to worry about other terms? Why need to worry about the sum of the methods? I am having dy by dx, just I can find it out. Very simple task. Okay. So now after this I will say that your dy by dx will be nothing but y into ln of x plus 1. Actually here I don't need to write this y because we know that we are differentiating y with respect to x. Then again, can the answer be in terms of y? Of course not. So what is y? Your y is nothing but x bar x. Therefore you can write as x bar x into ln of x plus 1, and that's the answer for the question. That means derivative of x bar x or derivative of y both are same because y is equal to x bar x. And that is how you should solve this question. Okay. So how to solve this is, first people, as the name suggests, take ln or log on the both sides. Therefore I will get this using our laws of logarithm. I arranged this particular equation. After that, differentiate on the both sides of the equation. Ln of y differentiation and x into ln of x differentiation. And this is something will be left out. After cancellation, this is what I will get. And therefore dy by dx will be x bar x into ln of x plus 1. And that's the answer for the question. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all guys. Thank you. Make education simple.